So guys, this is our finished product for the taho. There you go. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you for joining me today. And actually this recipe is a requested video from Tadan. Alright guys, so let's start with our ingredients. So our main ingredients here is the extra soft tofu. So instead of making our own tofu, so I just decided to buy this kind of tofu, so it's more convenient and simple and easy. And guys, we also need the tapioca. So this one I just cook according to the packaging and I just add brown sugar in it. And of course guys, we also need vanilla for our arnibal, this kind of vanilla. And guys, the one that I use for the sugar is dark brown sugar from Crystal Sugar. Alright guys, so now I'm going to cook our nibble. Alright guys, let's go. So we're gonna dissolve the sugar. So after that, after the sugar is dissolved, we are going to add the vanilla. So guys, here I'm going to add 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla. So our nibble is already finished. So guys, here I'm going to steam the tofu for about 1 minute, and I'm going to cover it, guys. Alright guys, I'll be right back. So guys, our tofu is already warm, so it's finished, and let's start the taho. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth again. So first po is we are going to put our sago here. So this is our sago. Actually guys, you can put as many as you want for the sago, especially if you love sago. Oh, I'm sorry guys. So here our taho. So let me just show you closer. So I'm going to do like this. So guys, like this one. So next po is I'm going to put our nibble, this one. So here, this is our taho and our nibble. Masarap to guys. Yan. And then of course, another layer of sago. Oh. So guys, our taho it's already finished. So let me just show you closer. So this one. So this is our taho here. Alright guys, so let me show you more closer. Guys, this one na yung taho natin. Guys, let's see how it tastes. So Nahulog yung isa. Diba ginaganto pag bumibili ng taho? So, let's see. I love taho. Yum. I'm sorry guys, it's kinda messy, but hindi ko mapigilan. Kunin na lang natin. Guys, I hope guys I can share this kind of taho with you. It's so yummy, guys. I love the arnibal. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope to see you again. Bye!